Many people are in awe of you. They see you as rare and from another galaxy. Your work ethic is unmatched. People have to gasp at times when you are in full flow at work. You're very focused, very dedicated, very hardworking. It takes a lot to distract you. You pour your heart, your soul into your craft, into your work. You're passionate. You're very detailed, very knowledgeable. You know your job inside out, and you are a perfectionist, and the way you work is seen as very high standard. A lot of people admire you, inspire to be like you, and some actually envy you because they feel like they haven't got your stamina. Where'd you get all this energy from? Where'd you get this know-how from? You are multi-talented. You are very self-expressive, creative, independent. You have your own swag, your own style. And you have this electric, exciting energy. You're very fresh in regards to your charisma, what you bring to your environment. Some of you are loners, but loners by choice. And many people want to converse with you. Many people want to hang out with you. They just feel like you're a whole vibe. You're very cool. You know, you got your own style. You don't follow anyone. You're a pioneer in regards to doing what you do, dressing how you dress, expressing yourself the way that you want to express yourself, going after your goals unapologetically. People find you bold, fearless, powerful in your own lane, outspoken when needs be. You are very to yourself, and you've got this Zen-like quality about you. There's many sides to you, and a lot of people just feel like just when they've worked you out, you shock them. So there's one side to you where you're just out there, you know, you're hardworking, etc. And then you've got this very peaceful and calm, cool, collective side to you. And a lot of people feel like when they're in your presence, they just feel a sense of peace because you retain a lot of inner peace. Very sophisticated, highly intellectual. People love conversing with you, but some people can find you to be intelligently intimidating. You may read a lot of books, you're highly knowledgeable, and you smell good. You look expensive. You have an expensive energy. Even if you're dressed down, you have an expensive, luxurious energy. You take care of yourself. Highly independent. Some of you could be single. Some of you could be in a relationship. Even if you are in a relationship, you still hold it down for yourself. You could be the type of person that may work a 9 to 5 and have a side hustle. Some of you could own many businesses. Some of you have a goal, a dream to start your own business. Some of you have been independent since a very young age. And you always look good. Even if you are a person that does not wear designer, you look like you are wearing designer. You take care of your skin, your hair. Your clothes are always on point. You dress for your size, your shape. Whatever colors you wear in regards to your clothes, it matches your skin tone. It brings out your skin. You know yourself. You know how to dress for yourself. You are a boss. You give off boss energy. Some of you could be managers, some of you could be a boss, but You have that energy whereby when you step into a room, you command respect. A lot of eyes stare at you, a lot of heads turn. Even if you're going in the supermarket, people look and stare and just assume that you are famous. But what they really feel is that person must be in a position of power or authority. I wonder what business he owns. I wonder what business she owns. Are they famous? I know I've seen them somewhere. That looks like, she looks like, he looks like. You have a very commanding presence that can be intimidated by some. But once people get to know you, they realize, wait a minute, this person's down to earth. This person's spiritual. This person's to themselves. This person not conceited. This person's not who I thought they were. You are extremely otherworldly to other people. Whether or not they'll say that you're spiritual, they just feel like there's a lot of depth within you. They feel like you have a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge. When people connect to you, they feel like they are transporting into another world. The things that you speak about are so otherworldly. It's like you teach people things that they may never have had access to, or may have never had access to in regards to their conversations with other people. People always feel like they're going to learn something spiritual or psychological in regards to speaking with you, and you leave people with nuggets. You leave people with words of wisdom. And some people actually research what you talk about. They find you intriguing. They find you ethereal, otherworldly. It's like you're not from here. People may try and compare your energy to others that they've connected to in the past, like, oh, this person reminds me of this person, but actually they don't. Okay, they dress similar. Actually, they don't dress similar. People can't compare you to anyone. We're all unique. We're all original in our own way, but your energy is very distinct. It's like you're not from here. Some of you are not from here. You have that ability to break down old foundations, to allow people to see what is beneath the veil. So you do break down old structures, ways of being that was built on faulty grounds. That's in regards to like family structures, work environments, friendships in some cases. You expose the truth in these environments. And some people may feel uncomfortable with this change, but whenever you encounter like a new job, a new relationship, things crumble. You may find that your partner, say for instance, you date someone and they're very controlled by their family. When you date a specific person, you open their eyes to the manipulation that they were under. Maybe without even realizing that you're doing it. Just by your way of being. For some of you, you go into job environments and you change up the whole game. And for some of you, when you leave, the place crumbles down because you were the one holding it up. You are very powerful. A lot of people find you to be very, very, very powerful. And some people are quite scared of this power that you have because they feel to themselves, wow, I want to get on his bad side. I want to get on her bad side, Some people have seen you switch and it ain't a pretty sight because you can go from quiet and peaceful to ferocious and fierce. And you are very protective of your family. Your family means everything to you. And this could be when people have seen you, change because you are the type of person that you stand up for the underdog, and that's another thing. You are the protector for the weak. You treat everyone accordingly. And I feel for some of you, you are the generational curse breaker in your family. Some of you may resonate with being the black sheep of your family. And if you were the black sheep of your family, you are now the goat of your family. For some of you, you're going to be the first millionaire or billionaire in your family. You are going to achieve the unachievable. Some of you are on your way to achieving great things that other people know about. And you're the type of person that even when you do achieve these amazing things, you're not going to forget about your family, the ones that were there for you. You are going to support your family. Look after your family. Protect your family. You allow other people to see truths that have been hidden from them. You are a truth teller. You are powerful, dynamic, and strong. But you have a healthy balance with your more sensitive side. To you, being strong also means to show weakness, to show emotion, because you believe that there is strength in expressing and showing emotion. And when you love deeply. When you love passionately. You're not afraid to express your emotions and lay your heart down to a person that you love. For your family. For your passions, for your goals. You pour your whole soul and heart into what you love and into who you love. People have never come across an energy like yours before. You have big energy. And many people want to date you. You have a lot of admirers. People from the past, people from the present, and of course, people from the future. And you balance out a lot. You are very ambitious. Lone Ranger, but a Lone Ranger by choice. Giving James Dean vibes for some of my fellas out there. You're cool, calm, collective. You have swag for days. You are a leader. You have star quality. You are magnetic. You're not afraid to express yourself. You're not afraid to exude the magnificent you. You know you're a hottie. And people get so conflicted when it comes to you because they feel like you don't want to be tied down. You're all about your career. And people want to invest in you. And people also think about being with someone like you, to the point where some people stoop to underhanded means to try and get close to you. A lot of people see you as their future spouse. You tick a lot of boxes. Many people are in love with you. Some of you are in relationships already and your person feels like they've met their match. Some of you could be in same gender relationships. For others of you, I feel like if you are in a relationship where you're female and male, then you and your person both have a healthy balance of balancing out your masculine and feminine traits, and your person sees you as their equal, their match. So if you're dealing with someone or dating someone or you're married to someone that you admire, you see them as this big boss, your spouse sees you in the same light too. You and your spouse are both heavyweight. This is giving power couple vibes. Both ambitious, both independent, both encouraging and inspiring, both killing it out here. A lot of people may look up to you and your person if you are in this dynamic. And the thing is, you know that you still have things to learn from and heal from. You didn't say you were perfect, but a lot of people see you as perfect. And you might be thinking to yourself, but I'm just me. And some of you may like to hide And when I say hide, I mean some of you are very, very self-protective of your energy because you absorb a lot of energy, and some of you are aware of the hysteria that you cause, or how you are magnetized into others. And people will be surprised that despite this sparkly, amazing personality and persona that you possess, you're very private. You know when to disconnect. And it may have taken some of you a while because you've gone through a lot of soul searching. You've been through a lot of toxic connections where people use manipulation. People try to get close to you based off who you are, who you know, your personality. They try to align with you to get clout. And you're very, very selective now. Some of you are in the process of disconnecting yourself from those that do not mean you well. A lot of people see you as very special because you are. And we all are, but there's something very distinct about you. Your energy can't be duplicated. Your energy cannot be compared to anyone because people feel like you're from another galaxy, you're from another world. And you could quite simply be. Some of you could be of the signs Libra, Pisces, Aries, Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, and Venus. You are otherworldly, and you stay on people's mind a lot of the time. Many people try to figure you out, but they can't, because your energy is one of a kind.